So we've seen that when we have brackets in calculations, we always do what's written in brackets first. Now for these questions, we don't have brackets, but we do have mixed operations, and there's a special order in which we do operations. We don't work from left to right, but instead we always do multiplication or division before we do addition or subtraction. The way I remember that is that addition and subtraction are easy, and we leave the easy stuff until the end. So first, we have 20 minus 4 times 2. So we need to remember that we multiply before we subtract. So we need to work out 4 times 2 and then subtract that answer from 20. 4 times 2 is 8, and 20 minus 8 is 12. So that's our answer. And it's really important to remember that we don't do 20 minus 4 and then multiply that answer by 2. Instead, we do what's in the multiplication first, and then we do subtraction or addition. Now we have 30 plus 5 times 2. Again, we need to remember that we multiply before we add. 5 times 2 is 10, so we need to work out 30 plus 10. That's 40, so that's our answer. Now we have 60 minus 42 divided by 6. We need to remember that we divide before we subtract, so we need to work out 42 divided by 6 first. That's 7, so now we can work out 60 minus 7 to give us our answer 53. Now 80 plus 20 divided by 10. We divide before we add, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So we need to work out 80 plus 2, that gives us 82. Now we have 9 squared minus 36 divided by 9. So here we have a squared symbol, and if we have a squared symbol or a cubed symbol, we always do that even before we do any other division or multiplication. Now remember, this squared symbol means multiply the number by itself, and 9 times 9 is 81. So we need to work out 81 minus 36 divided by 9. But we always do division before we do subtraction. 36 divided by 9 is 4, so now we have 81 minus 4, which gives us 77 as our answer. Finally, we have 8 squared plus 24 divided by 4. 8 squared means 8 times 8, and that's 64. So we have 64 plus 24 divided by 4, because we do squares or cubes first, and then we do other operations. Now we have addition and division, but remember we leave the easy stuff to the end, so we need to work out the division first. 24 divided by 4 is 6, so now we have 64 plus 6. That gives us 70 as our answer.